machine. And this time it holds gum. In my last video, I used a dime to pretending it was gum. But now I actually have gum in this machine. And so, if you take a quarter, right here, and push it in, you can just see you have some gum. Now to reload it, pull the top off, push this back, and then drop the piece in. And then when you put the coin in, pushes that, and the gum fell. There's the Lego gum machine. Hope you like it, and bye.